SoCal Citation 666 Delta Sierra with you, descending through 17,000 for 12,000.
Station 666 Delta Sierra SoCal approach. The Montgomery ASOS is out of service. Which approach would you like?
Yeah, 6 Delta Sierra, yeah, we noticed that. We'll take the RNAV 28, please.
6 Delta Sierra, clear direct NSD, descend pilot discretion, maintain 9,000.
Okay, 6 Delta Sierra, direct NSD, descending for 9,000. Yeah, 6 Delta Sierra, just wanted to know if you really had any idea on the weather. I got the Gillespie weather, but as I'm sure you know, sometimes it can be dramatically different between Gillespie and Montgomery.
6 Delta Sierra, let me see what I can find out for you.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, according to Gillespie, it's pretty much down to minimum, so I just want to see what I'm in for here.
Okay, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Number 6 Delta Sierra, I've got the Miramar automated weather for 0955 Zulu with wind calm, visibility 1/2, and indefinite ceiling 200.
6 Delta Sierra, alright, that doesn't sound great, but we'll give it a go.
6 Delta Sierra, roger, descend and maintain 5,500.
Alright, descending for 5,500, 6 Delta Sierra. Delta Sierra, just in case we have to go missed. How's Brown looking? Is that pretty similar?
Let me take a look.
Thanks.
6 Delta Sierra, affirmative, a little bit better, but not much. You're showing standby.
Okay.
Okay, they're showing 1031 Zulu weather, wind calm, visibility 2 1/2, mist, ceiling 300, broken, Kirkland 300 overcast.
Okay, 6 Delta Sierra, a little better, but higher minimum, so probably not a great option either. So I'll come back to you with an alternate just in case.
6 Delta Sierra, roger. And 6 Delta Sierra, SoCal, you can make descent okay from there? You want me to turn you out to the south?
6 Delta Sierra, no, I think we'll be alright.
6 Delta Sierra, roger, 5 miles from Nesty, cross at or above 3,800, cleared on Amber runway 2, red approach.
Alright, at or above 3,800 for cleared RNAV 28, right approach, Montgomery.
November 6 Delta Sierra, report your FR cancellation after landing via the phone. Do you have the number?
6 Delta Sierra, yeah, I've got the number.
6 Delta Sierra, roger that, and frequency change approved.
6 Delta Sierra, thanks. We'll hopefully not see you, but we might have to.
Okay.
Montgomery traffic citation 666 Delta Sierra, 3 miles final 28.